In this video, we will show you how to downgrade Wondershare Filmora video editor. When you have a problem on the latest version of Wondershare Filmora video editor, you can downgrade them. Okay, in my case, I have a problem with the latest version 14.8.10. So, first, I need the new installer to downgrade below this version. How to do that? First, you need to open the wondershare.com to get the below version or to get the best version for you. Okay, after you log in into wondershare.com using your account, you need to scroll down and go to the footer, then select support center. Just click support center here. After that, you can browse the product is Wondershare Filmora desktop. Just click this. After that, select download and installation and click this and select I want to reinstall this software. Click this. After that, you can visit the download page, clicking this page. And in here, you can select the product. You can select Filmora and select system. For example, I'm using Windows, so I choose Windows here. And select version. You can see there are many versions in here. And in my case, my best version is 14.5.20. So we can click this to download and select the download for 64-bit. Okay, in my case, I already download this version. After that, the next step, we need to uninstall the latest version on our machine. Just open control panel. Okay, then uninstall a program and select the Wondershare Filmora. Okay, just choose Wondershare Filmora in here. Select here and click uninstall. After that, continue the uninstallation. Okay, for example, software always crash or lags, and updating the software and uninstalling the old version. Just whatever you select here, just click continue and click remove. Don't remove the effect. If you have important effect in here, just click remove. Wait until the uninstalling process is completed. Okay, for the speed up the video, we will pause until the uninstalling complete. Now the uninstallation is complete. Okay, you can click done and click close here. The next step is installing the older version because we need to downgrade. So just open your download file here. I just click in this file to start the installation process. Select English and click OK. Please see in here. Okay, this is the installation and click next. Click the license. Okay, and click next. Click next again and wait until the process is completed. Okay, once again, to speed up the video duration, I will pause not important thing. Okay, now finishing the installation. Please wait until the installation is completed. Now our Filmora is successfully downgraded into best version in my case. Just click launch, or we don't need this. Click launch. Okay, this is the environment testing. Please wait until this done also. Now you can see our version from 14.8 now back to 14.5. If you check in the help version and select the about, you can see now our version back to 14.5. And that's all how we can downgrade our Wondershare Filmora video editor version to get the best works for us. Thanks for watching.